I start with the model. That I think it's good to figure out your persistence, figure out the objects that'll be in the model, write it and test it. Once your model is in place and it's tested enough that you're confident in it, it's just much easier to proceed from there.
So once I have everything all ready to build a new project, my first step in Xcode is File, New Project.
So the way I start an app when I have an idea is I want to sort of validate the core proposition and just verify that I can actually build it. So I just dig in as fast as I can. I don't worry about a lot about code quality. I don't worry a lot about what the final app's going to look like. I just want to sort of validate that. Usually it's inspiration, and that's what keeps me coming back to finish the app.
So when I'm starting to build the app, I think the most important thing is to get from A to B as quick as you can. I've done a lot of different projects, and where I usually get stuck or stalled is when I try to optimize for every little corner case that might happen. So taking what your idea is and figuring out how to get to stage 1, version 1 of the app, just have something that you can use, and that's usually what I try to build first.
I take a lot of time to read the documentation and to make sure what the tools that I'm going to be using to make the project are the right tools. Sometimes you find that the tools are no longer supported and you have to pivot and find something new. Sometimes you find something that just came out that's better and easier to implement. Sometimes you find the documentation is really hard to read and you have to take more time to just decipher what it is.
When I'm starting a new project from scratch, I think of, at first I try and make a minimum viable product. I think of the simplest version of the app that I can possibly think of, and then I build that.